Hello everyone. In this PPT, I am going to explain about online marketing. What is online marketing? The types and the advantages and disadvantages provided by the online marketing. So first we'll understand what is online marketing. Online marketing is advertising and marketing the products or services of business over internet. Online marketing relies upon websites or emails to reach to the users, and it is combined with e-commerce to facilitate the business transaction. So as it is known that internet from its origin in 1969 has developed into an unstructured network of computers linking home and business, and this in past few decades has grew over the world, allowing them to communicate and exchange information instantly and relatively cheaper. It has revolutionized the way we interact together as individuals and business. Internet is connecting advertisers and marketers to the customers from text, iterative graphics, video, and audio. Online advertising or internet advertising. Online advertising is a type of business promotion which uses internet to deliver marketing messages to attract customers. With the rapid growth of internet users and internet technology, a number of businesses started to advertise their products and services online. Online advertisements, also known as online marketing, internet advertising, digital advertising, or web advertising, is a form of marketing and advertising which uses the internet to deliver promotional marketing messages to the consumers. Many consumers find online advertising disruptive and have increasingly turned to ad blocking for a variety of reasons. Let's see what are the types of online advertising. Social media. Social media advertising is great because you can target your audience perfectly. For example, Facebook is targeting options include range, age, region, interests, educational backgrounds, and more. Social media advertising is a common advertising that we encounter in our day-to-day life, maybe in every hour. It is the advertising through various social media platforms. We usually see the great example for this can also be YouTube advertisements. Whenever you open a video, you will be first shown with some kind of advertisements. Those can be included as social media advertisements. Next is display advertising. Display advertising is a type of online paid advertising typically using images and text. The most popular form of display advertisements are banners, landing papers, and pop-ups. Display advertisements are the advertisings which are also said as hoardings, the boards which are on the while we go on a trip, or when we pass on to the roads, many banners passes. So those can be display advertisings, and also the advertisings which are in televisions. Email marketing. Hanging out with display ads back near the start of online advertising. Email marketing is a cheaper, faster, and effective form of advertising. So email marketing is marketing through emails. These websites take our email ID, and they just keep updated with their websites, or some kind of offers you have been provided, or some kind of advertisements relating to that. For example, you may get emails from Upstock, Myntra, Facebook, etc. Search engine marketing and optimization, SEM and SEO, are types of online advertising that promote content and increase visibility through searches. SEM. Instead of paying for the actual ad, advertising pay each time users click on the ad to their website. SEO, to gain higher rank in search engine results. Search engine, it is a paid version of content marketing. The basic idea is that business pay Google a certain amount each time someone clicks in on a paid search result. Those paid search results are clearly labeled as ads. In Google, if we see in every website provided, in the left corner there will be a small block which says ad. Those will be the paid advertisements. Whenever you click those, the amount user clicks it the payment is made according to that. Advertisements, video ads, the most popular and well known of video ads. There are actually several different formats, type per and content option. Video advertisements can also be called video, which we usually, most of the advertisements are video based advertisements. Best example for this is the YouTube advertisements what we get. Native advertising. Have you ever noticed those sponsored ads at the bottom of the blog or FB posts? They can be other recommended readings or other people like it with suggested examples for users to click on. This is native advertising. Native advertisings are a style of digital advertising. It is a completely unique format because it combines advertising with content. For example, Netflix and Spotify. Netflix shows some Spotify advertisements, so you use Spotify for that reason. So it is called as native advertising. A similar kind of relationship is followed by the Netflix and Spotify. Remarketing. The best way to market to people who already know about your product and service is to remarket to them. Retarget depends on who you are talking to when people visit your site. Remarketing, also known as retargeting, is a tactic of serving targeted ads to people who have already visited or taken action on your website. For example, you might see some products but does not purchase it. You might get advertisements of those product itself. It is usually seen in Myntra advertisements. Next is advantages of internet advertising. Easy global coverage. Nowadays people have a habit of searching for information about products and services via search engines like Google, Bing and others. So advertisements provide a global coverage. It is not restricted to television advertisements nowadays. Advertisement is shown in every platform, in every apps. Next is, it is measurable. Unlike offline marketing where the cost and effectiveness are somewhat approximate, you can precisely track the return on your efforts and internet marketing efficiency with web analytics platforms like Google Analytics. It is measurable. Offline marketing does not show what amount of people have used our advertisements, or what will be the effectiveness of the offline marketing, what is the impact of offline marketing in on people. But online marketing do keeps a record of how many people have watched it, reacted to it. Affordable for any budget. According to Seriously Simple Marketing, the minimum cost to reach an audience of 2000 is 3 times cheaper than traditional advertising methods. So any company from a small family business to huge enterprise can utilize online ads and get the most out of their financial resources. The small businesses can also afford advertising, online advertising, especially the social media advertising. Drives traffic to a website. The more visitors you get to the site, the more potential customers you have, which will result in increased sales. Internet advertising aims to attract users' attention and send them to your websites. If, for example, taken as Spotify, if many people watches the advertisements of Spotify, many people can draw their attention on downloading Spotify app. So it creates a traffic in this website. Allows targeting. Unlike traditional marketing media that advertises to everyone without filtering, internet advertising tailors the message to specifically targeted audience, people who are most likely to convert into customers. Online advertising also categorizes people basis on their age. They might show some results which is based on the age or the likings or dislikings of a person. A person who is more into cooking might be shown advertisements relating to the cooking. Next, enables retargeting. Internet advertisements are a way to say, hey, looks like a couple of days ago you checked out this toaster. I have got a marvelous one for you. If many prospects visits your household appliances online stores without buying anything, remind them about your brand with banner ads displayed on website they browse. It enables retargeting, as it is said. Remarketing, it shows if something is unpurchased, it will show the advertisements specifically of that product, so it will be like a reminder to you. It allows you to create various touch points with your audience. If you own a small bakery, use socials like Instagram and Pinterest to demonstrate the product, to share news and build long lasting relationship with your audience. Reinforce them with email marketing. By mixing different types of digital marketing wisely, you can show that your company is always present and ready to be of service. It allows various touch points in the sense that your advertisements are displayed in various platforms in various corners. There is no corner left for not being aware of your product. The biggest advantage of this is every person, though it may be a small business, also the person may be aware of your product even though he has not used that product. It also provides some disadvantages. The main challenges associated with advertising online include fierce competition, the cost of mistakes, complicated analytics, and ad blindness. Let's have a closer look. High competition. This market is oversaturated, especially for e-commerce business. So you need to put your customers' needs upfront and regularly improve your product to make it competitive. Even in advertising sector, there is a huge competition, and not only in the product marketing, product manufacturing. So these advertisements need to be creative, need to be very much in such a content that it instantly grabs attention of the customers. Complicated analytics. To analyze the performance of your ads, you need a third party platform like Google Analytics and some experience to interpret the results correctly. Medium sized enterprise and big brands have analysts to make the ads more targeted and effective. You need third party because every company may not be a specialist in advertising. Even the large businesses, they experience a huge cost which is incurred on advertising just as a payment for the third party, so it may not be affordable for the small businesses and medium sized businesses. Ad blindness. This term is related to banner blindness. Users see advertising almost every time they open a web page. For this reason, they simply ignore banners without even noticing them. To fight this, make sure that your banner targets the right people you need to offer. Ad blindness is ignoring the ads. We usually do this in YouTube. When you get the skip ad, you wait for 3 seconds. When you get the skip ad, you directly skip it. So it is what called as ad blindness. It may be because you have seen that advertisements very often, or you might not be interested with the content shown by it. Mistakes are expensive. Targeting wrong people, selecting highly competitive keywords, and leaving your ad campaign running after turning it off are the most common mistakes that can cost you a fortune. To eliminate these mistakes, you need either a top specialist or a lot of experience. Both variants require investments. Mistakes such as wrong people, selecting highly competitive keywords, and leaving your ad campaigns running. It might also be a mistake which is controversy. The controversial ads can also be a mistake. For example, jewelry ads which we see, there is very controversy regarding to the advertisements. These controversies can be mistaken, which can affect the sales of the company. Thank you.